Yeah. Actually, we have interface here, so let me put it here. Interface.
Okay, right.
Good point. So we'll review it. The contractor shall perform all the necessary interfacing and coordination with the ongoing SE diversion project. Any relocation or adjustment shall be executed in accordance with a very good point. Yeah, this would represent place and EPC contractor. So this is good point raised by Salman, and this is good. This will be EPC contractor. Okay, now let me come back here.
Sir, what is the project name here in the interface project name?
The Southeast Diversion Project.
We do not have anything, this project details.
Actually, it was a very fast track project just completed. We will share with you.
Yeah, okay. Because we received many interface project documents, but not this one.
Because it was only 1 month we have completed, so we will share with you.
Okay, guys. So we have here long read storage, no product concern, communication, no concern, availability, established by EPC contractor, coordination with company, and DGC set will be used by the power, if any. Vehicle company WM's road safety will be used. Maintenance, no major concern for the maintenance. Scaffolding, so there is no major scaffolding work will be there, but if in case required, so they are going to use the approved scaffold tag and scaffolder, so that there is no major concern. And benching, sorry, will be done for deep excavation is not there, so we'll remove the deep excavation. Contractor, this will be followed by the contractor EPC no project concern, climatic concern, no major concern for weather, and weather management system will be implemented as per the HAZID. Company innovation, no value, no additional concern, no concern for innovation. Interfaces, equipment, interface procedures shall be prepared by EPC contractor for all such activity. List of tie-ins. Any tie-ins are there? Santosh and Sudeep?
Maybe you have your instrumentation and electrical, because electrical tie-ins